Hey, what's going on, you guys? So, in today's video, we are going to talk about how to use ChatGPT. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. All right. So, to access ChatGPT, you can go to openai.com. All right. So, once you're in here, you can scroll down and here click on Try ChatGPT. Okay, so it is also worth mentioning that you need to have an account to access this one. So if it is your first time accessing openai.com, it is going to ask you to make an account and that would be it. All right, so here, this is the main interface of ChatGPT. So as I've mentioned earlier, ChatGPT can answer your questions. Say, for example, if you have a question like, what is the chemical composition of oil, for example. And it is going to give you a detailed answer. It can also help you make essays or poems. So say, for example, you want to make a poem about the end of the world in Shakespeare style. So you can actually say, make a poem about the end of the world in Shakespeare style. And there you have it. You're going to have a poem about the end of the world in Shakespeare style. All right, now for the coding part, because I think this is going to be the most interesting one. So say, for example, you want to make a simple code of a calculator in JavaScript. So let's try this one. You can say, make a code for a calculator in JavaScript. And so there you have it. So this is ChatGPT. So by the way, we are using here the older version, which is GPT 3.5. There is a newer version, which is GPT 4. It is this one, but this one is offered in subscription basis. So if you want to try it out, just go to the website openai.com and try out the latest GPT-4. Okay, so that would be all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.